Gathr Outdoors announced plans to permanently close its Pride manufacturing, production, and support facilities in Maine, according to a release sent to IEN by attorney Peter Bennett. A war notice showed that the shutdown at the factory, which makes Lincoln logs, cigar tips, and golf tees, will eliminate 115 jobs. The release stated that the closure results from a significant shift in customer demand that rendered the facility economically unsustainable. The Portland Press Herald reported that Pride paid roughly $200,000 in annual taxes, primarily driven by property and equipment, according to Burnham's Select Board member Rick Basford. The New York Post cited the facility's owner, Center Partners Management, which said the impending closure stems from a cigar maker moving its sourcing for cigar tips. The firm stated that the lost contract left the site financially unviable. Jay Foreman, the president and CEO of Lincoln log producer Basic Fun, said the Hasbro-owned toy will need a new home after the main facility closes. He told the Post that production will likely move overseas, potentially leading to a 10% price increase. The Press Herald reported that Foreman attributed the shutdown to consumer reactions to rising prices influenced by tariffs. Founded in Tampa, Florida, Pride started making wooden mouthpieces for cigars in 1930. Operations moved to Maine in 1956 to be closer to a wood source for its cigar tips. The facility added golf tees to its operations after the move and, in 2014, began producing Lincoln logs as part of a move that relocated some production from China. Center Partners portfolio company Medalist Corp acquired Pride in 2015. Pride Manufacturing, Basic Fun, and Center Partners have not responded to IEN's request for comment. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.